Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to exclude any IP in Google Ads account. Suppose you want to block your internal traffic or office IP you want to block, or you are getting fake traffic or unwanted traffic from any IP you want to block it. So how you can do it? So first of all, you have to log in your Google Ads account and then click on admin and then click on account setting. Then here you can find IP exclusions. Let me zoom out, and here you can put your IP address. If you have multiple IP, you can make it like this, wildcard, and otherwise you can use it like this, or you can use it like this. And this means I want to explain more about this. This means we can say 65,000 around IPs it will block like this. So it will block these from 002 from 255.255. So it will block the entire two blocks around. So these are around 65,000. And if you talk about this will block around 256 IPs. So if you are getting these are the same and this IP is dynamic and changing every time, so you can use this, or you can use this will also work, I guess. So we have other methods as well, but these are very complicated, so you can use this. If you want to block single IP, you can simply use this and enter and then use second. So if you have multiple IP, you can use different column, and this is how you can block your IPs. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can visit my website techcans.com. Thank you so much.